that working? Yes. So just gonna do this. And this. Yeah, it's fine. I don't know. It doesn't want. So it doesn't want to work. Yeah. Let's start by opening. I don't know which one. Race one. Just open this one. I don't know. Just a bit different than this one. I forgot the. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Don't know what happened now. I tested this yesterday and still there were this weird shadowy things happening. I don't know if it happens when I. Oh, I need to. Wait, I have to. Yeah, I didn't. I have to click in here. Oh, they're still there now. Doesn't really wrap up. Always, always got distracted by that. Okay, actually better than my pastime. Doesn't really record it. Okay. Yeah, the sounds and such. It's oh yeah. Thought I disabled this. I don't know. Seems a bit weird. Like okay, I got in air quotes not a lot of memory left, but that's actually fine. If I do the task manager, it's fine. Like okay, there's not a lot free processes in use. Yeah, although there's a lot in use though. What's in use? I don't get it. So that so see it just like OBS uses a lot, Unreal, and then just the web browser is using a lot. Like just Vivaldi is just silly. Like how much is that? 700, say 901, 1.1, 1.2 gigabyte of memory, and it's just one page. It's just ridiculous how much it uses. Can't really do much about it though, because all these web browsers are like this. Cause but the only other one would be Firefox, I guess. But I guess there is another one that doesn't use Chrome, but I forgot which how it was called. Well, it was not that great. I heard, but yeah, just like I don't know. It's not like I can disable anything because they're all using this Electron stuff and the like Epic Games Launcher and Steam. just silly. I guess I could exit Steam to get a bit more free, but that's or maybe the Xbox app. But it's just silly. And I guess that helped a little. Still only 2 GB. When it helped, it's 2 GB, but still, there's still lots of stuff in here. That's like. I see Notepad++ in here. Or is it just normal notepads? Why is this open? Oh, that's a track. Is that not? Oh, I opened it up. Oh, is this not normal notepad? Oh no, that's not normal notepad. Oh, well, that's fine. But yeah, I don't know what to do about it. There's just so much stuff going on. Just using up the space. Oh well. That, that should help a little. A pressing rebuild. Oh, don't rebuild that. Okay. Today I want some menu with a selection thing. And I mean, I made a few menus, but I forgot how. So today it's like, okay, how did I do that again? Let's start. I don't know. I'll look on YouTube first. Um, Unreal build game menu. I use 49 lessons. Okay. I use Unreal University guy. Let's see. Yeah.
So I'm in the third person template, but you could be in any template. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to my window and go to my content browser and just click content browser 1 just so that's permanently here. Then what I'm going to do is just right click and create a new folder.
Yeah, I guess you could do that. Content. Put a new. Wait, why can't I put a new folder? Can I do anything? Add picture. Why can't I do when there is a single? Okay. It's called game menu. Okay.
Call this UI, and we can head inside here, and we're going to create our main menu. So to do that, we first want to right click and then go to use interface and select widget blueprint, and then select user widget. And I'm just going to call it my main menu, and then we can double click and open it up. And once we're in here, we just want to go to the palette on the top left and look for our canvas panel and just select it.
What did he? Oh, we clicked it, but that was not the thing. What did he click on before that? User interface. That might be. Why is it clicking?
User interface and select widget blueprint.
Widget blueprint. Yeah. menu. Okay. That's loading.
And then select user widget. And I'm just going to call to my main menu. And then we can double click and open it up. And once we're in here, we just want to go to the palette on the top left and look for our canvas panel and just select it and drag it into this.
I'm getting it. I'm getting it back now, but sort of.
Hierarchy tab. And this will be our canvas where we're going to create our main menu. Next, in the palette, we want to look for a vertical box and just drag it into the center of the screen and make it a bit wider. And then you just want to anchor it and
Avert. Anchor. You want to anchor it. It's alignments. Where was that? That with anchors. Oh, here. Okay.
anchor it to the middle of the screen. And then inside of this vertical box, we're going to add 3 buttons. And these buttons will be the options on our menu. So under the palette, I'm going to look for a button. And just drag this button 3 times into the vertical menu. So I'll just do this 3.
Okay, we need buttons. Yeah. It comes back now, but sometimes a little bit easier to follow. I don't know why they like have random names like this. Are these under? They're inside the vertical box. I guess we need quit options and level selection or something. Can we do? I don't know. A list or something. I might try this just to see. Autosave. Savior of the universe. Okay. Oh, let's click. We want this one up top. Okay. I got some buttons. What is this called? Spacer? I don't know. Need some spacers. Uh, 100 is maybe a bit much. 30, 30. 30. 20. I don't know. Maybe 10 is fine. Okay. Style. We'll see about this. We'll do that later on. Hello. Hi. What do you do?
And with each button, I want to say there's a bit of a gap between each buttons. So just select the first one, and we'll go to padding, and under the bottom, and I put a padding of value of 100. This will basically push the button beneath it down by space by 100. So you can just play around with values here if you wanted to. I could also put a padding at the top of 100, and we can see that pushes this button 100 from the top. I'm also just going to put a padding of 100 here, and I'm just going to leave that on blank. Next, I'm going to add some text.
Just another way of doing it, I
And we
guess.
just simply drag on the text here and drag it onto our phone and drag the text onto it. We're just going to do this 3 times. For this first text,
Okay. We need some text. Where do we fill this in?
I'm going to make it say the word start. So we want to go to the content.
Contents. Is that not at the top? I would think it would be at the top, but no. There it is. Maybe. Maybe it was right. Okay, sorry. You go away. Quits. And yeah. And then this one. Options. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one. I'll just put this as start for now. Okay.
And on text here, just type in what we want it to be. So I'm going to type in start. For here, I'm going to type in options. This is quite small, so I want the size of it to be a bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is select each text, and then what we can do is go to font, and then we can see size here. And I'm just going to make it so the button is 40. And as we can
Guess we can make them a bit bigger. Soft fonts somewhere. Text. Where is the font? Oh, here. The fonts. Stupid. All are stupid, but okay. Typeface bolts. 36. Okay, that's fine. Appearances. Well, no. Why is it doing that? I want background color. That's the one. I don't know. That looks a bit Disney. Purple. I don't know. Brown. Green. Very dark green. It's almost very dark mustard greenish. Okay. Let's see a list view style, backgrounds, scroll bar style, scrolling, Okay, we'll see. What
So
does
that makes all of my text a bit bigger. Set up all these buttons so that they work. So to do that, I'm just going to close this main menu, and then I'm going to create a new level. So I'm going to go to File, Create, and then one thing when you create a new level, if I click play, we can see that I start as this third-person character, or you'll start as whatever game mode your project is in. We don't want this. We want it so that when we are in a main menu level, that no character spawns. In order to achieve this effect, what we can do is create a blueprint. So I'm just going to right-click and go Blueprint Cast, and then we want to select Game Mode Base, and just call this menu.
How does he do this? Wait, I'm just
You
gonna.
can see that I start, and then I'm going to create a new level. So I'm going to go to File, New Level, and we want to select an empty level. I just click Create, and then first thing I'm going to do.
Okay. Save. New empty level. We'll fix this. Yeah, I don't have entry things in that. Okay.
Click Save. It's going to ask me where I want to save this level. I'm just going to save it in my content folder, and I'll call this the main menu map.
Main menu. Just gonna call it main menu level because it's not a map. It's a level.
And click Save. And one thing, when you create a new level, if I click play, we can see that I start as this third-person character, or you'll start as whatever game mode your project is in. We don't want this. We want it so that when we are in a main menu level, that no character spawns. In order to achieve this effect, what we can do is create a blueprint. So I'm just going to right-click and go Blueprint Cast, and then we want to select Game Mode Base, and just call this menu Game Mode.
Blueprint class. Lower menu game maps. Okay.
And now, if I go to my window and we go to World Settings, the World Settings tab will appear. And if I just drag this menu game mode onto my game mode override, right now it's
Okay. No, I don't. There. Okay. There.
blank. Now if I click save and click play, we can see that I'll spawn no character. And that is because inside of my main menu game mode, there's no default spawn class. If I say made this the third person character, I'd always spawn as the third person character. We just want to leave that blank. That way, no character will spawn inside of our title game mode.
I think that's changed.
Menu game mode, there's no default spawn class. If I say made this the third person character, I'd always spawn as the third person character. So we just want to leave that blank. That way, no character will spawn inside of our title game mode. Next, we want to say our main menu actually appears inside of this level. To achieve that effect, we just want to click this little three dots, and then go to Open Level Blueprint. And then Event Gameplay, what we're going to do is just drag off this node and look for Create Widget. The widget we're going to create is going to be the main menu.
Okay, and here. Okay. What did he do? Oh, create main menu.
create widget.
Oh, create widgets. Kind of remind me of. Was it in Seabird? And like some thing called widget. It was like widget. Like annoying.
The widget we're going to create is going to be the main menu. And then we just want to simply drag up here and look for add to viewport. And click compile. And
Uh, see. Yeah, this is a newer. Don't know which version this is. I don't think I can see it in here. Nope.
I close this and go.
Know what year is this from? From 4 years ago. I think that's even
As you
5.
can see, I'll have my main menu with the start, options,
Might
and
be the
click.
end of 4.
The next thing I'm going to do is basically make it so that all these buttons work. And I'm also going to add a background to my main menu so we're not just staring at this black screen. I'm just going to close this, head back to my main menu.
I guess we can't test it. Yeah, just because of that, that's fine. Okay. I know it made it myself difficult, but
And when I click the start button, I'll just select this button and scroll down and go to on click. And when this button is clicked, I'm just going to drag up here, look for open level by name, and then we can type in the level we want it to open. So I'm inside.
I guess for now we can do that. I guess.
Part of the third person template, and the level is called the third person map. So I'm just going to take a copy of the name, copy it.
It's a bit annoying. Where did I put that? It's probably in here. It's raise 001. Okay. For now. Okay. Just to see if it works. Uh,
Head back to my main menu and just paste the name inside here. And then go to my designer. For the scope of this video, we're not going to create an options menu, although in a later video I'm going to go over how we can create a full options menu. So we'll leave this blank. For the quit button, we just want to select it. Again, scroll down and go on clicked. And on clicked, you can just drag up here and look for quit game. And this will make it.
yeah, I guess. So, uh, how do we I don't want to go in here. Oh, because I. No. Oh, it's this one, I guess. Oh, I don't know. I'm stupid. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I just need to go in here. Let's we'll click and we add quit. Okay, doesn't need to do have anything in there. Yeah, it's not thing. I think that's fine.
So that we quit the game. Next, I'm going to basically add a background for my main menu. So I found this cool Unreal Engine background on Google, so I'm just going to drag it inside my project, and then right click, go to fractions, and apply paper to texture settings, just to make it clear.
I don't really need the background, I guess. Maybe for the purpose of it should just blur things, which is fine. So yeah, okay, it's gonna entry widget class. I wish I could just see that. Create new blueprints. Uh, level select. I don't know. And now if we play it, yeah, okay, that works. Well, it sort of works. We need to go to you.
Then if I head back to my main menu and go to the designer, under the palette, I'm going to look for image, just drag it in, and then for anchor, I'm just going to anchor it so it's across the whole screen.
Oh, that might be useful. Or Gaussian blur thing. Okay.
And I'll make the offset 0, this is 0, this 0, basically everything 0. And then for the brush, I'm just going to select the image that I imported. Okay, one thing for backgrounds, you kind of want the image resolution to be nice here behind the vertical box menu that we made. Because if I select this vertical box, you can see that its Z order is 0. So the way the Z order works, basically the higher numbers will basically be displayed on top. And now that I have my image, I'm actually just going to select my vertical box and move the main menu here, just so it looks a bit better. And I'll also just move the anchor so it's here. And now I can compile. Let's test out our main menu. So if I go play, if I click start, I'm taken to the third person game mode.
Why is that working
Quit,
for him?
the game quits. There's one more thing we need to fix with our main menu. If I click the play button, as you can see, when I start, I first have my mouse. If I click, my mouse disappears and I can't really get access to it again. Also, if I click the play button and I click start, when I start my game, I start with this mouse cursor. We don't want it here, so we're just going to add a couple of settings to fix that. So we go back to our main menu, and we're going to head back to the graph. Event construct. So this is going to fire as soon as the main menu is spawned. What we're going to do is just right click and look for get controller, and then we're going to drag it and look for set show mouse cursor. Just leave this button checked, and this will make it so the mouse cursor basically.
Okay. But didn't I add... thought I added it. What? I added one, no? Can't I? I don't know. Why is it not working? Okay. Okay, I don't know. I am confused. I mean, this works. I don't know. Where is this in the main menu? Uh, in the graph. Event construct. Clear controller. And then was it set? I don't know why.
This is going to fire as soon as the main menu is spawned. What we're going to do is just right click and look for get controller, and then we're going to drag it and look for set show mouse cursor.
Okay.
Leave this button checked, and this will make it so the mouse cursor basically appears in the game. And then we're going to drag it here and look for set input mode UI only, and then click this into here. And this
Input modes.
make it so the mouse cursor basically appears on the screen. And then when we click our start game button, we're going to basically do the opposite. So I'm going to copy this bit, so get player controller, set show mouse cursor, paste it here. Although this time we want to uncheck the show mouse cursor, just make it so the mouse cursor is hidden. And we want to drag off here and look for set game mode only. So set input mode game only.
Okay. And here was an oh. And here. Oh, this is open level by name.
Look this up and click compile.
Wait, maybe I did it wrong for this one. Let me see. Yeah, it's this one. This one needs to go. I think it's fine, but sort of fine. So now it should start. Yeah, I know. I know it starts in here. We don't have a mouse. Okay. Yeah.
Now if I click play, I'm just going to go full screen. I can click my mouse cursor and you can see my mouse still appears. If I hit the start button, my mouse cursor disappears and I'm spawned straight into the game without my mouse cursor. And we have a functioning main menu. So that's all for this tutorial, and that's how you can create a main menu.
Okay, that's fine. We need
So you just need to drop down a bit. Not a problem. Under the input options, there are two types of drop-down menus, one for widgets and one for text. How many options you want in your drop-down right here. If you want 5 options, click the plus 5 times. Then just type in what you want each of those options to be named. Menu border is the padding space for the text option in the drop-down area here. Under font, you can change the size, spacing, and main color right here. As usual, you can change the image for the button.
not really what I want, but for now it might do. How is it called again that I used? List view. Holy loud music. Yeah. Oh my god, why is there loud music like that? I think that would be nice. This object contain that. Blueprint objects. Okay. Uh, Blueprints objects. List objects. I don't know how to call it. I'll call it like that for now. Okay. And these are, yeah, I just like these are not like definitive thing. It's just like building the basics and then refining them. A bit like how I kind of do music usually. At least the symphonic works. I just have the bare bones and then I add stuff to it. Structure seems. I just want to drop down list. Maybe Unreal drop down list. How was that?
Guys, Eagle here with the first video on Code Authority. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make combo boxes in Unreal Engine look good. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. I'm going to make a widget real quick, and this widget is going to be called Or Widget Blueprint. Then I'm going to open this up. It's opening on my other screen right now. So we will add a canvas, and then we will add a combo box string. We will anchor it in the middle, and we make it a bit longer. So right now, if you go here to the selected option, and we add 3 options, we set selected to 1, then 1, 2, 3, then we compile it. As you can see, it's on the left side.
Combo box. Okay, let's get rid of this list view thing. Okay, let's see. Combo box.
So right now, if you go here to the selected option, and we add 3 options,
Default options. Yeah, I don't see that in here. Defaults. That's not in there. Well, we got 3 options at the moment. Uh, level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Okay. Save. Um, this no fonts. Okay.
We set selected to 1, then 1, 2, 3. Then we compile it. As you can see, it's on the left side. So what we want is we want it to look better. We want our own font too. This one, it does not look good, and we cannot change anything about it right now. So I'm gonna go to the level B real quick. I'm gonna create widget, which is our widget blueprint, and then we're gonna add it to the viewport. As you can see, the styling is very bland, and the text is all on the left side. Nothing is centered. It looks very off, if you ask me.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but it works normally. Non-messing on generate content widgets. Okay. Don't get the 1, 2, 3 though. What?
Especially if you have a bit shorter text. So we can do something about this. So what we're gonna
Yeah, it didn't show it, did it? There's nothing in here, although. Missing on generate content widgets.
do real quick is
Uh,
we're gonna make another.
wait, I close it. Ah, close it down. Stupid me. Yeah, let's listen. I'm just gonna check again. I'm gonna go back for a bit.
We'll add a combo box string. We will anchor it in the middle, and we make it a bit longer. So right now, if you go here to the selected option, and we add 3 options, we set selected to 1, then 1, 2, 3, then we compile it. As you can see,
I don't know if I used string or key. I think I used string, but I'm not sure. But I thought I heard Dutch. That eagle.nl. Oh, it's complaining about this again. Um, this is a key thing. Okay, let's try this again. So done string. Um, adding font. was 36. Style, yeah. Where is array? 1, 2, 3. Level 1. Oh. Level 2. Level 3. Okay. Level 1, level 2, level 3. It's very dark though. So we'll have to change that. It's like something to do with the backgrounds. Why is it different? Style. Okay. Now, how do we do this? Now go back to in here. Can we?
It's on the left side. So what we want is we want it to look better. We want our own font too. This one, it does not look very bland. And the text blueprint, and then we're gonna put it on the top here, this, and we're gonna click create binding. Item from the, so instead of the, because I just placed it in the canvas like a bit better, obviously, and then better, it has outline behind. You can do otherwise watching this video.
I want. Okay, it's time for Google Gemini. Uh, combo box. String in my main menu for choosing and starting a level. How to set up the starting of the level. Select it. Drag off. Switch on string nodes. Oh, okay. So on selection. Add event at switch nodes. Yeah, we got the on selection change one. Yeah, okay. Drag off. Switch on string. Switch on string. Okay. Add pin cases matching your combo board. Pin options. So 1, 2, 3. So level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay. Open level by name. Level by name. Okay. Three of those. Okay. I'll go in our content browser. So we got 3 levels. So we want just gonna rename. Can I just do copy? Copy name? No. Can't. Race 001. And then we got test track. I'll just write it in. Then we had something else. Oh, I think it might be in here somewhere. Level time trial. All level and then I think that was an underscore. I don't know. Save. Let's see. Up. 1. It's not opening it up. 2, 3. Why is it not doing that? Why? Why are you not working? Let's investigate. I see. Like that, baby. File, save, play. Okay, that's working. And then if we go to 2, ça ne marche pas. And it doesn't work. Okay, that's fun. Oh, it worked. But this one I didn't. Okay, let's try 2 again. Interesting. Can't drive it. I do 1. Does that... Okay, something is not working. Why did it stop using my... I think it's all of this stuff. I think this is not correct, but we'll try it again. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's do it like that. Let's see the magic of Google Gemini. Try to figure out what's going on here. Oh, wait, we need this bits again. I think. Okay, wait. Because we're using the mouse thing. Yeah. So we need this. Can I do multiple of these? So I don't need to. Let's see.